Hi folks, in this video we are going to discuss about callback and its role in the JavaScript framework. Term that you may have heard many times and not quite sure what it means is that callback. So what is callback and what is its role? In its simplest terms, a callback function is a function that is called inside of another function. In other words, whenever you pass a function in the argument and run it inside this function, you're doing the callback pattern. So let me demonstrate and let's see, continue working with this function here that I have just created. It's a call method and create a second function. So let's go ahead and simply remove all this thing and etc. Okay, so let's do some coding and welcome to the TechME tutorials. Okay, so remove all this thing, we don't have the requirement, and we are going to create another function here which is a print calc, you can say, and this, okay, oh sorry, it is an arrow method, and here we are going to pass an argument. In the argument we are going to pass our callback method. So callback, and inside the function we're going to load our callback. That means we are going to call back our callback method inside our. Okay, so we have passed this callback method as an argument inside the print call method, and inside the print call method we are calling this callback function. And now we simply call our print call method here, and we are going to pass our calc method inside as an argument. So that's all. This is callback. What we are going to do, what we are doing here is, first of all we have created our call method which is going to return our 4 into 3, and after that we have created another function which is a print call. It is going to call this callback method. Here we have passed the callback as an argument, and inside that we are inside the console.log method we are calling our callback function. After that we have just simply, this is the declaration, and here we are going to call this method. So that's all. Let's see if it is running or not. Simply press save, and in the browser console is not defined. I think CUE is missing here. Yep. Alright, okay, see, our code is working perfectly. I'm going to refresh it, and for make sure we are not using the previous numbers and all previous example, see if it is working or not. 6 into 3 is 18, it should be. Yep, it is working perfectly fine. So this is the callback basically. If you heard the term callback help, it is, literally very hard to understand for a normal human being. It's a simple code, that is why it is looking easy and nice. But what if we have if we have 50 plus callbacks available in a single file, so it will become a shape like a pyramid, and it is very hard to understand what's going on in this particular code. If someone else is looking your code, they will definitely not going to understand what it is doing actually. So the solution of this callback health situation, we got promises from the JavaScript side. JavaScript's promises are very neat and clean and very easy to handle asynchronous things, asynchronous call and all this stuff. And also the problem with the callback is the security thing. We always have a problem regarding inversion of control. So this pyramid that is created by callback, it is also known as a inversion of control and can be significantly trust issue.